You picked it up 14 times before noon. You know this because part of you counted. And every single time you told yourself it would be the last, it wasn't. There's a reason for that. And it has nothing to do with weakness or willpower. The real answer is far stranger. It reaches back hundreds of thousands of years into the wiring of a brain that was never designed for the world you're living in right now. Here's why. Your brain runs on a chemical called dopamine. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. It isn't. Dopamine is about anticipation. It fires when you expect a reward, not when you receive one. Neuroscientist Wolfram Schultz discovered this studying monkeys in the 1990s. Dopamine surged the moment an animal expected food, not when it ate. The anticipation was the hit. Your phone is built on this. Every time you unlock your screen, you are expecting something. A message, a like, a notification. Your brain doesn't know what it will find. That uncertainty is the point. Psychologist B.F. Skinner showed that unpredictable rewards are more addictive than predictable ones. When a pigeon pressed a lever and only sometimes got food, it pressed obsessively. Far more than when food arrived every time. Your phone is the lever, and you are the pigeon. This isn't a character flaw. It's ancient survival logic running on modern hardware. Your ancestors lived in a world where novelty meant survival, a new sound, an unfamiliar smell. Noticing new things kept you alive. Your brain evolved to treat novelty as urgent, to reward the act of checking. That instinct kept your ancestors alive. Then someone handed it a touchscreen. Asa Raskin, who invented the infinite scroll, later publicly apologized for it. He estimated it wastes 200,000 collective human hours every single day. It works because it removes the natural stopping point. There is always more, so the checking never ends. Your phone also hijacks something called the social monitoring instinct. For most of human history, belonging to a group meant survival. Exclusion meant death. Your brain evolved to be acutely sensitive to social signals. Who responded? Who reacted? Whether you're still valued. A notification is exactly that kind of signal, and your ancient brain treats every single one as potentially critical. Psychologist Larry Rosen found that cortisol, your body's stress hormone, actually rises when you're separated from your phone. The discomfort you feel when you can't check is not weakness. It is a measurable physiological stress response. Stress builds. You check. Stress drops. Dopamine fires. You check again. Dozens of times a day, often before your conscious mind even registers the urge. Neuroscientist Matthew Killingsworth tracked people's happiness in real time and found something striking. When the present moment feels hard or boring, the brain seeks escape, and your phone is always right there, ready to take you somewhere else. Within weeks of consistent use, the neural pathway connecting discomfort to phone reaching is worn so deep that your hand moves before you've made any decision at all. You are not fighting a bad habit. You are fighting ancient instincts, reinforced neural pathways, and billions of dollars of deliberate behavioral engineering. But there is a way through. Not by eliminating your phone, by understanding what your brain is actually searching for. Real face-to-face connection quiets the social instinct. Physical novelty satisfies the craving for something new, and slowly building the ability to sit with discomfort without immediately reaching for relief loosens the loop. Understanding why the pull exists changes your relationship to it. When you feel the urge and recognize it as an ancient system misfiring inside a modern machine, it loses a little of its authority over you. Your brain is not broken. It is brilliant. It is running 300,000-year-old code in a world that is about 6 years old by comparison. The problem was never you. The problem is the lever. You picked up your phone 14 times before noon today. And now, just maybe, you understand exactly why.